In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on your iPhone. We'll also look how to set this automatically to switch throughout the day, through a default schedule, or through your own custom one. To get started, find and open the Settings app. Inside of here, scroll down a bit and then find and choose Display and Brightness. Now at the top, you'll see the options to switch between light and dark modes. But before we switch, let's take a look real quick at how this light mode looks in a couple of apps, and then compare it to the dark mode so that we can see the difference. I'll switch over to Mail real quick here, so that we can see this, and then after that, we'll switch over to Safari so we can see what Safari looks like in light mode. Now, let's head back into Settings, and then we can switch this over to dark mode. Everything will now switch over to dark mode, and we can head back into the Mail app to see the difference, and then after that, head over into Safari so that we can see that. This way you can see a quick example of how it compares between the two different modes. Next, let's look at setting this so it changes automatically throughout the day. Head back into Settings, and here under the two modes, you'll see Automatic. Tap the slider on the right to enable this, and then you have a new option here. Choose Options, and then here you can set this to change automatically with sunset to sunrise, or you can choose Custom Schedule, and then inside of here, set your own schedule that you want. Make your choices to be finished, and then after that, you can close the Settings app. And that's how you switch between light and dark modes on an iPhone, or set it to switch automatically throughout the day.